Hello friends, here is a handmade decorative pillow made from smoking technique. This could make an ideal Valentine's Day gift. In this video we are going to see the procedure of making this pillow. Hope you enjoy the video. Friends, let's start by making a heart template for this project. Let's take a unfold paper and cut a heart shape which is 18 inches vertically and 10.5 inches horizontally. This 10.5 inches will become 21 inches when it opens. So this will become 21 inches horizontally and 18 inches vertically. Now prepare a 1-inch grid starting from the center and going horizontally and from the top vertically downwards also. Next, mark X's on the squares starting from the center row vertically. Mark 1 X and 1 blank, 1 X and leave 1 blank. To start the next row, you need to leave the second row totally blank and again continue the same way, 1x, 1 blank, 1x, 1 blank. Complete the grid with all the x's throughout the paper. Now taking a pointed object, poke holes onto the 4 corners of the squares throughout the paper and also on the axis of the design. This has to be done throughout the paper. These holes will help us to place the design onto the material with the help of a sketch pen. Here we have placed the template onto the satin material, leaving 3 inches of material from all the sides. Secure the template onto the satin material with the help of pins. Now mark the grid onto the satin material with the help of a sketch pen. We'll get points like this. Do this throughout the grid, throughout the template. Friends, here we have completed plotting the points onto the satin material and we have to take 3 inches more from the template and cut the material around. Here is the satin material cut in a heart shape and here are the points plotted onto the material with the help of the template. We have to plot the points on the right side of the material and the pattern will also form on the right side of the material. This is the back and this is the front. Now let's take the needle and the thread and tie a knot at the end of the thread. Let's take the square which is having a center point in it. We have to sew only the corners of the square and pull up the thread to make a pattern of flower. Take the needle from 1 to second corner, then third, then fourth and again to the first one. Now let's start the smoking pattern of flower on the material. Taking the needle and the thread, pass the needle through the first corner of the square. Lock the thread onto the material. Now pass the needle through the second corner. And now the third one. And the fourth corner. And again pass it through the first corner. This will make a square shape on the material. Now tighten the stitch by pulling the thread and making a pattern on the material. This will make a flower pattern on the material. Here is our flower pattern. Now lock the thread onto the material in the center to retain the flower shape. Again fold it this side and again lock the material on this side also, but this time add a pearl in between. Here we have completed doing one flower. Similarly, we will go on following the pattern and complete the whole grid. We have completed smoking 3 flowers. Complete the whole design by following the same technique. Friends, here we have completed the 4-petal flower smoking pattern in a heart shape, and this is the 3-inch material which we had cut extra, and it is in a ruffled straight. We have to make it flat by stitching the pleats developed by the smoking. Taking the needle and thread, tie a knot at the end, and let's take the 2 petals that are adjacent to each other and tie a knot. Now gather the pleats developed by these two petals and stitch it down. Similarly, make pairs of two petals and stitch down the pleats made by them. Here we have finished stitching the pleats all around the heart shape. Here we have got some uneven edges which we will trim to make it even. We have completed the front panel. We have to cut the back panel of this pillow of the same size as this front panel. Take the measurements and cut the back panel out. After cutting the back panel, it will look like this. Now reverse the back panel onto the right side up. Now take the front panel and place it onto the back panel with the front side down. So both the front sides are inside. Now we have to sew both these panels together with the help of the sewing machine. Here we have finished sewing the sides. Make use of the pins to keep both the panels together. Now let's remove the pins. Here I have kept a pocket to fill in the polyfill inside the pillow. Through this pocket, turn the pillowcase inside out. After turning it inside out, our pillow will look like this. Now let's fill the polyfill inside this pillowcase. After filling the pillow, let's close this pocket. After filling the polyfill, our pillow will look like this. Lastly, we have to attach the lace on the sides, giving it little folds on the way, like this. Taking a white thread, let's attach the lace onto the pillow with the embroidery stitch called blanket stitch. Continue attaching the lace around the pillow, giving folds like this. And using any embroidery stitch on it. After attaching the lace all around the pillow, our heart pillow will look like this. This completes our project of making the heart pillow. Friends, you can make this pillow and decorate your house, your car, or give it as a Valentine's Day gift.